know what I mean? It's a masculine man, right?
Masculine man to go and catch this type of fish.
That's right. I'm a warrior.
Yeah.
A fucking monster.
Oh, look at that. There's a whole bunch in there.
Yeah.
They're all like, I didn't see them from that side. Wow.
I just can't believe my eyes. I was going to say, dog eat dog. They're eating other fish.
Where's the Leroy Kiva? Where are Oh.
They're eating other fish. Dog eat dog. That's it.
I only have the Wahoo. The guest took the mic. Yeah, sorry.
Shouldn't let the guests take the.
You know?
Do you mind if we video you?
I'm already doing that. So I didn't even ask. I'm sorry. I assume you're okay with that, right?
I'm going to take a few fillets. A few fillets? Then I'm stuck with the rest. That's the problem. So you want half of it? I have to give you a whole side of it. Is that another one?
Yeah.
Over
Yeah, there's
here.
another one. Just not as big.
We've eaten this actually at the hotel.
Yeah, we've been eating
Now we know where it comes from.
And you see how much are you talking for? So I'll have the big one on.
You'll have this one here?
I'm this one.
Yeah.
I'm this one.
No, he's asking about that.
No.
18 Caribbean per pound.
That's 18 a pound.
Per pound.
Wow.
Oh,
It looks a lot about 40 pounds or something.
You're gonna get fed.
What, that?
Oh, that one.
That's about probably 15, somewhere in the teen, I would say.
Okay, I'll take the small one then.
I'll wait for you then. I'll wait
Okay,
right
I'm just going to see.
Chop it up and
Yeah.
put it in the
Bring the
freezer.
dinero when you come
So
too.
this is a Wahoo.
to
It's like a dolphin, isn't it?
No, it's not.
Oh, it's not. I'm just saying.
Nowhere near.
Wahoo.
When you said dolphin, you're talking about a mammal?
Yeah.
Because you're looking at a fish. A fish and a mammal is totally different.
Wow, look at his heart on his.
We're mammals,
Oh
we're
my
not
god.
Okay.
Oh,
Look at this.
beautiful. Look how fresh it is.
I just can't.
That's
I
neat
just
to
can't-
see, eh?
What's the one
Look at the heart.
Oh, God, that's a big piece of bone.
So, do you mind, what's your name?
I'm Captain Leroy.
Captain Leroy. We are totally in awe of you, Captain Leroy.
You're what?
We're in awe of you. You're awesome. So you won't fish for this then?
No, these are my friends, my pets, so I feed them.
Okay, nice. Captain Leroy.
Yeah, I've been feeding them for quite some time now. Since the 90s, I would say.
Since the 1990s.
That's why they get so big.
Yeah,
Well,
since the 90s.
well, oh, look how you put your hand through that knife. I can't believe you're a true warrior. That's all I can say. Thank you for your time.
Not a problem, anytime.
Watching a master at work.
Yeah, absolutely, yeah.
Unbelievable. God bless.